The Brazilian Raphinha's future is uncertain at Barcelona. According to the newspaper Mundo Deportivo, the forward is among the players who could be negotiated by the club to adjust the team's salary, and Newcastle from England and Milan from Italy could be his destination. Newcastle has been watching Raphinha since he played for Leeds United in the Premier League. At the time, the Magpies saw the player move to Barcelona this season, but now they plan to fight to have him in the future. On the other hand, the Porto Fichages highlights that Milan is interested in Raphinha as a replacement for Brahim Diaz in the squad. The Spaniard is nearing the end of his loan and will return to Real Madrid, and the Rossoneri see the Brazilian as the ideal player for the team led by Stefano Pioli. Raphinha, 26, has a contract with Barcelona until mid-2027. He was signed by the Catalan club in July last year for an initial amount of €58 million, about 316 million Brazilian reals at the time. The Brazilian has scored 9 goals and provided 10 assists while wearing the Blaugrana shirt. Paris Saint-Germain has taken the first step towards signing Kolo Muani from Eintracht Frankfurt and the French national team. The French club has had talks with the player's staff and could close the deal soon. According to RMC Sports, PSG representatives are optimistic about signing Muani. The player is one of Eintracht Frankfurt's key players this season and was recommended to Parc des Princes by sporting director Luis Campos. Kolo Muani, who is 24 years old, is in his first season at Eintracht Frankfurt after leaving Nantes. The player is also being pursued by Manchester United and Bayern Munich, which makes the deal complicated for PSG officials. The German club is asking for a minimum of €100 million, 551 million Brazilian reals, for the striker. Kolo Muani played in the 2022 World Cup in Qatar with the French national team. He has played 40 games for Eintracht Frankfurt, scoring 20 goals and providing 12 assists. His contract with the German club expires in June 2027. The Luso-Brazilian defender Pepe has renewed his contract with Porto. On Sunday, 23, the Portuguese club announced that they had reached a new agreement with the 40-year-old player for one more season. Pepe is an idol and one of the most beloved names among Porto's fans. The club used social media to announce the player's stay and described him as a legend. This is Pepe's second stint with the Dragons. The defender had played for the club between 2004 and 2007 before transferring to Real Madrid. He returned to Porto in 2018. Pepe has accumulated several titles for Porto, including a Club World Cup, 4 Portuguese Championships, and 3 Portuguese Cups. This season, the player played in 28 matches but did not score any goals.